welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 2 of December. Today I will be showing you guys how I curl my hair with this Duvolle 3-in-1 Trinity curling one. So this is a collaboration with Duvolle. I've done other collabs with Duvolle and I'm so excited to do this one because I love curling ones. And so I'm going to show you guys how I use my new tool. You guys can actually use my discount code, which is DK in capital letters, for 70% off on anything on their website. So I will leave all that information in the description bar below. But other than that, let's get right into this. It is cold outside, it is snowing and all that. So I was like, okay, let me get my video up before I go to work and such. So let's begin because I gotta get to work. I'll be doing it on there so it's clear so you guys can see how I curl it. But you guys get 2 views of me. So yeah, this is a curling wand. The box, I already ruined the box, but this is how it looks inside. That's the curling wand right there. It has all different sizes, which is great. I'm gonna be using the biggest size because I like the big loose curls. If you guys can't tell, I just wanted to get my curls a little bit more on point. So that's what I'll be doing right now. So I'm just gonna plug it in and then we're gonna get started. Okay, so let's get started. The wand is ready to be used. I put it to the highest temperature, which is 430 Fahrenheit. And so I'm gonna use this. I'm using the biggest wand. I showed you guys those 2 smaller ones. I like my loose curls, and yeah, so let's get right into it. So usually I like to do away from the face. So, and I'm gonna do big curls. So I'm gonna be taking like a bigger like amount of hair. And so I'm just gonna, I usually just bring it to my face like this. And then I just curl away. I'm not gonna keep it on for too long just because I don't really want, yeah, I just want loose curls. So a couple of seconds will do it. I usually do 30 seconds. And then it's usually good enough. But yeah, look at that. It's a really good curler. Look at that. It's pretty good. If you keep it longer, obviously. I just want to show you guys how this curling one works and the quality that it has. Like that. And then hold on. Let me do that curl again. I want to burn myself. It does come with a glove as well. If you're afraid of burning yourself. For me, I'm pretty good with not burning myself with all the practice that I've had. So I've been pretty decent with this. I haven't burned myself yet. Just like that, okay? And then I'll just do a couple just to show you guys. I'll do this side. Just not a lot. And I just like to do mine like this. Like that. I know a lot of people do theirs, everyone does theirs differently. I do mine, I curl my hair in this way. Okay? Because I like my curls to go like that. See? Like this. I'll do one more strand. I don't want it to be too long of a video. Just like that. Excuse the dirty mirror. I thought it was a little bit cleaner, but yeah, so just like that. And then just like that, go like that. So those front 2 are curled and I love it. I love how it looks like. Yeah. And close it. And then so the buttons look like this. You guys probably want to see this. So there's a power button and then the plus and minus for the temperature. And then it tells you the temperature right there. And it just has the logo. And then if you want to switch it to the next wand, it has a lock and unlock button right there. So it's really, really good. But yeah, so I just wanted to curl at the front. That's good. I'm gonna turn it off. To turn it off, you have to hold it down and it says off on it. just like that. But yeah, so that's all I'm gonna curl for today, just because I have to head to work and I don't want to be late. But yeah, thank you so much, Deekaaybright Squad, for watching and tuning in. I'm really excited to be doing December again this year. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.